Okay, back on this motor. Okay, I went ahead and filed the high spots and dowels here, remarked them so they're good. Open up the dowel pinholes on these, a couple thousandths. I can still go a couple more if I need to, but I don't want to go any more than I have to on that, obviously. So now everything looks like it's ready to go back together again. See if we can't make this thing work. Let's see, I'm going to put it without the cams right now. That one just dropped straight down, all the way down now. That's what we're after. Okay, so that should be no binding now, hopefully. Oh, yeah, no binding. Actually, move the damn thing. I don't know why it does when you first put it on, it doesn't move, and then you break it free, it works. Okay, put light tension on the screws. Spin around a couple times, let it kind of center up where it wants to be. Tighten it. Feels good. Doesn't quite come up by itself. When I tightened it up, it made it just where it wouldn't come up. Close. It's moving on its own there. So it's pretty close now. It kind of comes by itself now, see? Give it half an excuse to go further, it does. See? Okay, so that's pretty free there. A bit tighter on that side. Okay, so I think we got it close enough we can make it work. Everything got kind of free flow, and I'm going to put the cams in here and see how much that locks everything up. I'm sure it's going to affect it. Comes on and off nice, I like that. Put our cam plate in. So we can see a little better. Damn, he tightens that thing down so much you can't move it. Okay. So this is our number 3 cam. It's got 2 marks. It also says 3 over here. Okay, this is only going to get 1 shim. I'm taking out this shim that was on that one, the 2 shim deal. Where's the plate? The plate in there. Single shim on this one. It's in the wrong spot. There you go. Single shim on the number 1 cam. Right about there. A little bit. 2 shims here. I'm going to put the new one in there because it's a lot flatter than the old one is. This one is all bent and wavy. I don't like it. Put the new one on there. Okay, we're going to put the thick shim toward the gear cam so it'll wear better. Pull our marks. Okay. Make sure all our marks are lined up. Boom, boom, boom. And our idler gear over here. Red one's still in there. And line up our red mark there. Okay, so that's where everything goes. Metal debris in there. Alright, so now we still have no lube on anything. Lube will make it lube will make it rotate slightly easier, but trying to keep the tension on this stuff so it works. Okay. Kind of masks a tight spot when you do that also, so. Okay, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So we're about that far off the cover right now. So it almost dropped all the way down. Comes on and off pretty easy. Pretty good. Put all the screws in there this time. Full scale mock-up. Go down, we touch and back off. So the screws aren't tight, they're just all the way down. So you didn't want to go, so you back up till it goes clunk. There it goes. Clunk. Now the thread's engaged, now it goes down. If you just forced to go in where it was, it'd cross thread. Okay. So, right now the cam cover's loose. Let things kind of self-center a little bit. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and tighten things down. Just do a little drag there. So we got everything in here now. It's slightly more drag than I like. Figure out what direction this cover wants to go. That actually helped at that time. Fine tuning. All right. That's about the best we're going to get it. It's a little tight right in here. Didn't like that. Well, I definitely didn't like that. Yeah, that helped it. So once you go at this angle here, beat it like that. Oh yeah, that freed it up. That's the direction it wants to go. Not quite all the way, but close. It's livable now. This motor's definitely got the real short trips break in. Now to run the bike, stop it, shut it down, let things cool off, the hot spots cool off, start up and run it again. You do a bunch of little short 1-2 minute cycles or quick around the block and park it type thing. That'll kind of burnish everything all in, but it won't overheat it and cook it and seize it, hopefully. So it's just being temperamental, but it is working. Do that for about 5 miles and it'll be pretty broken in. Alright, so there's a little drag in there, but that's not uncommon with everything in it. This thing's just real picky on what it wants. Let's try this direction. Didn't seem to really help much more. I think it's about as sweet a spot as it's going to get right here. Yeah. Not changing too much more on that. One more that way. Yeah, that's about all she's going to get. Can't get less than what it is right now. Make it tighter. Alright, so that's about it on this one. Alright. Let's see if these fit. Ooh, those fit in pretty good. No beating required, I like that. Perfect. Got our buffed on lifters. They work good. We don't have that big clearance like we did with the other ones. Alright, this should be good to go. Alright, so cam cover is going to be where it is for now. Have to deal with everything else later. Let's see, I need a bolt. 2 bolts. There we go, fine thread bolts. And 1 big bolt. So I'm going to put up on the engine stand now. Like that. Who wants me? Hello. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, how far are you pushing? You should have a little bit of suspension movement, like an inch. If you push it all the way down, they're too soft. Mm-hmm. You got oil in there? There's no oil in it yet. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty soft. It's hard to tell exactly how soft it is, but you need to do something. How much preload do you have? How much you have to compress it to put the nut in there? What? How much compression? Yes. You still push it down an inch and make it work, but that's why you lost some tension. Yeah, but it still sounds like they're a little soft, so a little bit heavier spring probably wouldn't hurt. Alright, that's it for tonight. What's that?